Budget Baes. Hey, welcome or welcome back to My Life on a Budget. Y'all already know how this little situation goes when you see this setup. This is the only video that gets done on time or before time. And this is going to be my June Frankenplanner, okay? So, you know I need my June dates, baby. We got a lot of stuff going on in June, honey. And baby, I need my dates. So if you want to go ahead and set up my June Frankenplanner with me, then stay tuned. Okay, so y'all, boom. If you stay tuned and clear, that means you want to go ahead and do this little old Frankenplanner with your girl. First things first, let's get the pleasantries out of the way. Y'all already know how that goes. Hey, y'all, hey, welcome back to any and all of my returning Budget Baes. I'm so glad y'all decided to come back and chill with your girl. Y'all already know it is a love, love, love as far as you guys are concerned. And if you are new around here, then hey, y'all, hey, welcome, welcome, and welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to hit the like button for your girl. The like button definitely does help my channel out, float around out there in them YouTube streets, show people that you like me, and so we can get us some more Budget Baes. And Budget Baes, as soon as you get on the video, do your big one, hit the like button for your girl. I definitely appreciate it down, okay? Not only that, if you're new around here and you enjoy the video, hit the like, but also hit the subscribe. I would love to have you come and join the Budget Baes. Okay, so look, y'all. Let's move some stuff out the way. Y'all already know this is the only video that gets done on time, child. It is Friday, and you know Fridays, baby, I work from home, and I like to try to get videos in, baby, when I can get the videos in. Amen? So we're going to move some stuff out the way. We're going to move the stuff, move it in a little bit here. And so y'all can see what's going on. I do have all of my Frankenplanners. Anybody who's new here, first of all, welcome to any of my new Budget Baes, y'all. I think I said that in a couple of other videos, but baby, we want to always welcome y'all, honey. I appreciate y'all for holding down, sitting down with your girl. I appreciate you guys for subscribing. I appreciate my girl who tagged me on her videos. Thank you so much. I have been extremely busy, and I will be replying to everybody. So don't think that I am ignoring you guys. I do reply to all of my comments, and I do reply to any tags or anything like that. But when I tell you that the baby life has been lifing, baby, I have just been really literally trying to push through, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just been literally trying to push through. And so just bear with your girl, okay? And keep your girl in prayer, okay? But only if you believe in the Lord, baby. Okay, so look. Let's talk about it. We need to get our June Frankenplanner situation out. So what we're going to do is I've already pulled my dashboards and I've already pulled my planner items. For anybody that is new, I do have 3, 4. I think I got about 5 sections, maybe 6 sections in my Frankenplanner, okay? And so we'll talk about those right now. All right, now my Frankenplanner consists of 6 sections. The first section is going to be my catch-out section. This actual dashboard or this cover is the actual cover that goes to the Mahana planner book that I'm using. I did take the cover off and then put it on expander disc, and then I took the rest of the guts that were here and I just put an old cover from Wrong that I had on top of it, but it definitely does have the guts in there, okay? So we're going to be using this particular one for our catch-all planner, and my catch-all planner consists of every single thing that is in the rest of the planners. Anything that I need to do, anything that I have scheduled as far as work, as far as home, as far as appointments, as far as dates, as far as whatever it is I have going on, I should be able to find it somewhere in this catch-all section. Right here will be the month that I'm going to be doing the months, and then normally I would put a little synopsis or a quick little description of what events we have going on here, when I went to the gym, if we have any birthdays, any holidays, if I have any dates scheduled, like people are supposed to be going somewhere with people, we're going out of town, things of that nature, okay? So that's what I use that particular part there for. And then on the inside, I'm going to just put the name on there. And then on the inside, of course, I love an old nasty undated planner. Everybody doesn't like undated planners, y'all, but I love an old nasty undated planner because it allows me to do what I want to do with it. However, yes, it is a little bit more work, okay? It definitely is a little bit more work. Let me pull out, hold on, y'all. I forgot to pull out my other my other little hands off my sticker album book, child, and it just has a bunch of different stickers and things in here that we use. What I'm looking for is some months, so we can have our months already out. I do have some random things here. Okay, yeah, so this just has some overage. I got a lot of different, I actually want to buy some more books that have like the months and the dates and stuff. I need to buy another book of those because I love those books. I use a lot of those books. But, because you know, my stuff is undated, so yeah. All right, so let's find us a June really quick. I'm trying to see if I got something cute that I like. We are in the month of June. It is Juneteenth, baby. So baby, let's not forget about Juneteenth, okay? Leave me something down in the comments. Let me know if you celebrate Juneteenth in the comments, baby. And yes, God, I do. Yes, God, I do. Take off every single time, every single year, honey. That is my inclusion day. Since they act like they don't want to include that on the regular holidays, we're going to use that as an inclusion day then. Amen? We're going to include that. Amen? All right, so we're going to have June here. Here's our catch-all calendar, like I told you guys. And then on the inside, later on, we're going to be updating this. I do like a Sunday start. So the way that they started on Monday, I am going to white all of that out. And we're going to start from Sunday to Saturday, the way that the week is supposed to be going. But anything that I have going on for that particular week or that particular day goes here. I normally break up my little sections into mornings, afternoons, evenings. So if I have an evening appointment, you'll see it down here. If it's in the afternoon, it'll be here. If it's in the morning, it'll be here. All right. And so anything that I have going on that week will go into detail here. All right. And then this particular calendar is just a quick little thing like date with friend at 7 o'clock or out of town or whatever little quick thing. And if I want to know some details, then I have to go on back off in here to get the details. Okay. So I hope that makes sense to everybody. So we're done with that. Now we're going to move on to our, oh, you know what I forgot to put? I forgot to put my daily notes. I got to put my daily notes dashboard here. Normally I use this in case I needed to remember anything for the upcoming month. So we're in the month of May right now. If I needed to remind myself for anything for June or anything like that, I can write it right here. And that way when I go to do my June or like I'm doing now, I'll have those notes and tasks already in here and I'll know what to input in here. Okay. You can also put like dates, whatever you want to put on this particular track. It's just a dry erase board. You put whatever you want to put, girl. There's no pressure. You can put whatever you want to put, baby. All right. So we have that. And then we're going to move on from that. We move directly into our budget section. So for my budget, we're going to put our budget dashboard here. It's my little wrong. I need to probably update that. I know I got some budget, but I just love them girls. All right. So we got budget there. Then right directly after that, I put my budget dashboard in there. Okay, and that's, of course, I need to write any bills, anything I don't forgot, whatever, girl. Wants, needs, you read it, girl. And I can put that on there if I need to use it, okay? Then I use this particular undated calendar extension budget pad. And I don't use everything from it. Let's just grab some. And what I need from it is I'm going to need this calendar. And then I'm going to need this particular sheet right here, which is going to be our budget. And then the savings tracker sheet I'm going to need because I'm going to turn it into my bill pay tracker. All right. Now, the weekly expense sheets that it comes with, I don't use those. However, I'm putting them back into my budget binder so that if I ever need them, I do have plenty of weekly expense sheets. I don't weekly expense anymore because I cash stuff. And so once the money is gone, baby, the money is gone, honey. Ain't no reconciling, baby. Ain't no reconciling, baby. Look, did you use it or no? If you used it, it's over with. It's gone, baby. If you have something left, add it to the next one. It's easy. Okay? So, with that being said, we're going to put these little 3 things in here for our budget. And then, remember, I make my own budget paycheck things. That's the reason why I, make my own. So, the first 4 that's going to be here is going to be my pre-budget. Okay, this is where I scribble down when me and Papa are going to get paid before I actually write it on my good paper. What bills we're trying to divide out, especially since we're getting paid on the same week this month, or have been since he got that extra check. And I need to allocate who's paying for what. Or, just kind of mess around. It's a very messy sheet. So if I mess up, or if I round the numbers, or I put what I think it's going to be, and I kind of budget what I think it's going to be and stuff like that. So this is just my pre-budget. Okay, it's made on, it's front and back. Old, very old format that I used to use. I've updated it since then, but I don't care. I use it, scratch it out. And then directly after that, I put my good paper. Okay, this is my double-sided sheets. Not double-sided, my 2-page sheets that have I made this personally for the Jacob's Paycheck budget, okay? And it's the exact same thing that's over there. It's just the updated version, so you don't see as many categories and stuff like that. But it's the exact same thing. It's just updated on much heavier paper. And I use this to keep track of my actual budget. Okay, what we actually spent, and I write that on the good paper, okay? And then lastly, in that section, I always keep cash bank notes so that we can know what money we need to get for our cash stuffing, okay? And that's going to complete the section for my budget. Now, right after my budget, I go into my wellness section. Now, my wellness section is really like more so like my eating, my gym, what I'm going to the gym, how many steps am I walking, you know, stuff like that. Let me make sure this is the right, hold on real quick. Let me make sure that's the right one, babe. Okay, yeah, so this is the right one. All right, so, this is what our dashboard looks like. So cute. I hope you can see that metallic in there. That's so cute. Allow yourself the room to grow. Allow yourself room to grow. I love that. I love that, love that, love that, y'all. Alright. So we're going to tear this out. I'm going to put it right here. Okay. Now, remember, I told you guys that we use this particular calendar just to tell us when we went to the gym. So let me grab a June real quick. Went to the gym. This is like a quick synopsis on when we went to the gym and stuff like that. Telling us what we did at the gym. Sometimes I put my walk-in amounts on here, but not really. This is just a quick synopsis on when I went to the gym, child. And then on this part back here, this is where we put the actual numbers, and I put what my intention is for the week, like what time I plan on going to the gym or when. My food goes here, and then how many steps I do go there. All right, and of course it all has to be set up and dated and things of that nature. We'll do that later. I actually forgot to put a date on this budget part, so let's go back here and let me put a June on that real quick. And then of course I'll go back and fill out the dates on my own, because they kind of take a little long time. All right, so that is that. We're gonna have to put June here. They do use these little clear dashboard names, or you know, like little tab names, so you barely can see the shit till you put it on there. But it is so cute. I love that purple. I love that little shimmery on there, girl. I love that. It's so cute, so cute. All right, so we got that. Now, right after my wellness or whatever, I go into my moods. Now, my moods is the sheet that I actually made myself. I'm supposed to keep track of it every day. It's my daily moods. I'm supposed to keep track of it every day, y'all, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Your girl has not been doing what I need to do. I have been so busy between work, between home, personal life, and all of this stuff like that, y'all. I have not been using my stuff, and I can really tell it in my mental health. So yeah, I need to get back on there. And then right after those mental health sheets, you guys, I do have my dashboard, my spiritual dashboard. All right. Now, the last section that goes into my Frankenplanner is going to be the social media section, and that is you guys. It is for my budget channel as well as my cooking channel. Okay, and this is the last dashboard for that particular one. We're using an extension pack, Purpose Fused Passion. Grab some tabs from this little sheet here, because I don't know what I did with it or which one goes where, so we're just going to use this. right, flip it over. Go like that, June. Just like that, okay? So that's that. Now let's go back to the front of it, and so I can show you everything all at once. And then this particular video will be yours, honey. That's why I like this video, because it don't take a long time for my... I just need my stuff in there, girl. Give me my stuff, girl. Give me my stuff, girl. Alright, so let's do it. Now, this is my currently. We start right here. Let us know where we are. It goes directly into my notes and tags section or dashboard that I can put in for the month. I go into my set your own course dashboard for my catch-all section. This is how she's looking. Of course, this is the calendar. And then this is the inside of it that we'll update later. All right. Then we go into our budget section. Right after my budget dashboard, I have my weekly expenses, needs and wants, bills and pay, budget, dry erase board. Then, oh wait, y'all, I ain't even put nothing on that one. See, this is why I be going back to them, child, because I'm telling you, if I don't, baby, I don't know where my stuff will be. I'll be all kind of crazy. Okay, so let's put this back. Let's put this June on here. I don't know how the heck we missed that, but whatever. There it is, June. We're going to put June on this side as well. Perfect, all right? And this is going to be my bill pay calendar. We're going to turn that into the bill pay calendar, so stay tuned for that video. This will be our budget for June. Budget for June. And then after my budget and my bill pay tracker, this says saving tracker, but we're going to make it into the bill pay tracker. You'll see that video soon. It goes directly into my bi-weekly pre-check budget or pre-budget. Then it goes into my real paycheck budget. And then after the paycheck budget, I have my bank notes and cash notes, okay? That's what I'm going to be getting from the bank. All right, so after my budget, it goes directly into my wellness, and it says allow yourself room to grow. Of course, this is my wellness calendar, basically just telling us when we went to the gym. And then in here, it goes into more details as far as what I planned, what I ate, and how many steps I actually took. And then we go into our daily moods. And this is my personal thing that I made, my mental health daily tracker. I'm supposed to be using it every day. But like I already told y'all, child, your girl ain't using it like I'm supposed to, child. But we're gonna do better. Then after that, we have our Growing in Grace dashboard. Then finally, we have our social media section, which is, you guys, says Purpose Fuels Passion. And this is where I put when I record, when I edit, when I post. And then in this section, this is the same situation where I go into depth, recorded this, edited this, posted this, blah, blah, blah. Okay? So that is how my June Frankenplanner is going to be looking, you guys, for this particular month. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure that you go ahead and hit the like button. If you made it to this far, thank you so much. If you're new around here and you enjoyed it, hit the like. If you are new and you enjoyed it, not only hit the like, but also hit the subscribe. If you're already a budget baby, hit your like. Y'all already know what to do, child. Do the things. Do all the things, okay? And I appreciate y'all down. All right, and until next time, you guys, my life on a budget. Bye.